Hi guys, this is Miss Bofice, and today we're going to do the zero exponent law. So any base that is raised to the power of 0 is it going to go? I don't know if it's going to go. Is 1. So any base that is raised to the power of 0 is 1. I promise it's as simple as that. So 7 to the 0 power, 1. X to the 0 power, 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. The last thing that we're going to do is sometimes you have other stuff mixed in there. So if we're looking at this first one, it says 2x to the 0. So what I do is I find whatever the 0 is attached to. So in this case, it is the x, and I cross it out, and I put a 1. So really, this is just 2 times 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. All right, top right corner, we have t over 4 to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is just 1, so I'm going to rewrite that as t over 1. And then t over 1 is just t. We have a to the 0 times b times c to the 0. So the a to the 0 is just 1, so 1 times b, and then times c to the 0 is also 1. So we have 1 times b times 1. And if you were to do like anything else, like 1 times 3 times 1, it's just itself. So really, 1 times b times 1 is just b. And then we have 53 p to the 0, t, s to the 0. So I'm going to go ahead and cross out the ones that become 1s. So p to 0 becomes a 1, and s to 0 becomes a 1. So I'm left with 53 times 1 times t times 1. And 53 times 1 times 1 is just 53. And then there's nothing to put the t with, so it's just 53t. Do not make this harder than it needs to be. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Only that specific base gets changed to 1. So just like we saw on all this page, we cross out and make anything to the 0 power 1, and then everything else gets to stay, and you just simplify. Any base raised to the 0 power is 1.